Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise, and you're welcome to this video. Okay guys, welcome to this video. Yeah, this is gonna be unboxing. we have item we are going to be unboxing here. I received this today, so I just decided to unbox it with this look. Of course, we just finished making video. Yeah, let me unbox it. Let me open it first. This is from Shein. I think this is Owen's stuff because I ordered other things from him. Not only this is not the only things I order anyway. Some are still on their way coming, but these are some of the things I ordered. I think this is Owen and mine. This is for Owen and mine, but there are things I still order for Owen alone. This one that came, let's unbox it together guys. So let me see what we have here first. Okay, this is just an easy wear Sandra. I ordered this. Yeah, I ordered it. Just summer Sandra. See this. I normally use size 39 and size 40, so I ordered size 40 in this particular one. Maybe I'm going to be trying it on if I have the energy to do that on this video. We have in here, what next? Oh, look at this ekeumen shirts. Guys, do you know, this one is so big. I ordered size L because I need something that will be so free in my body. This is size L. I ordered size L. I think it's big. This is going to be too big. Anyway, you never can tell until you try it. My normal size is size M, but I just decided to take L in this particular shirt because I need something that will be very free for me. Most especially during this pregnancy, I hate to wear something that will be tight. I don't like it. Okay, this one is for Oga himself. This one is for Oga. Is this shirt not too small? Hey, these people safe. This one is too small now. Look at it though. Guys, this one is for Owen. But I feel it's too small, but I don't know. You never can tell until you try it. I'm going to try it on him. This is it. Let me show you guys what. It's just a simple shirt mixed with red and dark blue. I didn't even know why they didn't bring my things at once. Like, I ordered a lot of things there, guys. Oh my gosh, these people shouldn't waste my time. This is a jeans trouser for Oga himself, guys. Yeah, this is a jeans trouser. This one is actually okay. This is okay. How when we say okay. This is okay. I ordered this gown. I ordered like the blue color. I just love the sky blue color. I love sky blue. This color, I love it a lot. I don't know why. I'm going to be wearing it maybe for church or anywhere. I don't know yet, but I think I ordered size M. Oh, size M is actually okay. I thought this size M is going to be too tight on me, but the way I'm seeing it, I think it's good. So guys, let's move on. This one is a jeans trouser for ekeumen. For maternity jeans trouser. That is what I actually ordered this for. This shirt, I ordered this trouser, and I ordered this sandals. I did order some things that are still coming on the way. Anyway, there are summer things, and summer will soon finish. And the things I order are maternity dress that you can actually use even while you are pregnant or while you are not pregnant. Even next year, I can still use those dresses. Okay. It's not okay, yes or no? Do you like it? Hi guys, welcome back again to this video. Yes guys, you know, I said as time goes on, as I receive the packages, I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys until I receive everything, because they'll be coming pretty soon. I believe I'll be receiving everything this week. Yeah, so I received something this morning. I believe this is Owen shoe, because I ordered one shoe and one sandals for him as well. So let's just unbox it together. Yeah, it's for Owen. Look at it, guys. This is the shoe I ordered.
This.
Yeah, you like it? Do you like it?
But
No, yeah, this is boots. This is boots. Yeah, I ordered this, and I also ordered this as well. I love this shoe, honestly. So nice. Oh. This is Sandra, and you all know by September the summer is almost finished. So these are the sandals. Wow, so cute. I love them. Oh, when do you like this? Look at this. This is the sandals and this is the shoe. This is the boat I received. Hi guys, welcome back again to the unboxing video, guys. Yes guys, welcome back again. Guys, as you all can see, I have unboxed some of the things. That was because this morning I was so angry, like so pissed off, because yesterday I received some parcel. Yeah, I received some parcel yesterday, but the other ones I have not received it, but they send it, they like I've received it, that it was signed by someone. Like nobody have received it in my house. I have to quickly chat with them, like I have not received the parcel. Why do you guys say I have received it? So they said they were going to do something about it. Luckily for me, this morning I received the parcel, so I quickly unboxed it. Yeah, here I have the papers and the stuff are still with me here. I like let me just quickly unbox it before I could even go and pick up my camera. So that's because, so these are some of the things I unboxed, and those things that did not come, these are the first things I order, and they are for Owen, so they didn't come early. This particular one, let me show you guys what I got. And this one is the ones I received yesterday. I just opened it to check what's in there, but I haven't checked them properly, like I haven't unboxed it from the nylon. So let me show you guys these ones I got for Owen. Yeah, this one is 2 caps. They are the same. I just like the two. I just like the cap. Like I don't even know what I'm going to do with it yet. I don't know if it's going to look good or not. But anyway, guys, I just got them. Let me try it on him. There's no harm in trying. Even myself. How do I look with it? And yeah, I got these boots. So I got this long sleeve for him. I like this long sleeve a lot. That has similar long sleeve shorts, and this is shorts and shirts. Yeah, this I got this as well. This is 2-piece. This is plain trouser and long sleeve. It came together. It has a belt. It has this belt. So yeah, I got some sunglasses for him. Sunglasses, wristwatch. They are from Shein. Yeah, I shop for myself. Oh, I'm not the person bad. I beg. This one is just outing. It's just for outing. Yeah, this is a shirt. Wow. I think this is what I'm going to be wearing out, because we are about going out right now. I love it, but is this not big? Oh my goodness, my bumper not big reach like this. So my bumper not big reach like this. Oh my god, what size is that? What size did I take? That is so big like this. Like I feel it's so. Oh, it's size L, large. That is why. Oh my god, it's too big. I don't know. I'll take size M. Although I like it, yeah. I pray it fits well. So this is a gown. I just love all this kind of free gown. Like if you wear it, you'll be so free. Nothing tightening, nothing worrying, nothing shilling. Another size L as well. Oh my god, I feel it's big though. I don't know until I try them on. Oh, I just hope and pray it's not too big on me, seriously, because the way I'm seeing it, like say a big go. This is another gown. Yeah, this is another gown, guys. Yeah, I just like this gown. I don't know why. I haven't wear it yet, but I just love how it looks. Yeah, I ordered size M on this. Thank god. Like this one is going to fit me perfectly. I've already seen it. I didn't even know I would have ordered size M in the other ones. I ordered this as well. This is a black gown, black and short gown. I ordered size M on this one. All these dresses, forget they are maternity dress, but they are also good for postpartum, whatever. Like even if it's not postpartum, like after giving birth, even if you are not pregnant, you can still wear them. Just look at it, you see it. So that's why I got them. Nobody should say, but you are not just pregnant, so I used to buy maternity dress. I'm still buying them because it's not a waste at all. Guys, this is the last one. This is a short. Yeah, it's a short. Yeah, it's a short. Oh my goodness, who sent me? I went to order size L. Guys, I was just trying to be careful. All these things, I think they are going to be bigger than me. Look at it, guys. Ah, God. I just feel bad now. Like, I think they are too large. Look at it, it's too big. Come on, it's too big. I think they are going to be bigger than me. So guys, that is all I got for this unboxing video. Although I still have some things coming, but those are just minor things. That one does not require showing. That one does not require unboxing on the camera. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, okay? Like thumbs up the video and share, okay guys? If you want me to do a try on haul with these dresses I just showed you on this unboxing video, let me know please. I will have to gather my energy to do that. Get to subscribe if you have not, okay? Follow me, okay guys? See you all in my next video. For now, stay blessed. Bye.